Hi, I'm Dr. Aisha, founder of Foursquare's Dentistry.
What inspired you to become a dentist?
It was my mother's passion always that I should be a doctor, which definitely turned out to be mine later. I was always an artistic kid, so I always loved when science and art both was a combination, and giving a fruitful nature of smile was an awesome thing.
What's the most rewarding part being a dental practitioner?
In my initial stage of career, when I was interacting with multiple patients, I came across they were so hesitant of their smile. So that made me think that I should show them some advanced technologies where I should definitely give them a very nice smile. Of course, I have my good earnings too.
Have you had any funny experiences with your patients?
Oh yes, I remember one. This patient came with a complaint of pain of his upper tooth. So on examination, I saw some black color cement which was present. I asked the patient, "What is this? What did you fill with?" He said he had some material in his hand, so he went ahead and filled the tooth. I asked him what material it is. He said he's a plumber by profession, so he used M-Seal and filled the tooth.
If you could give just one golden rule for oral health, what it would be?
Well, brushing, I'm sure all of us are aware that we have to brush twice. But what is the most important part is flossing in between the teeth, that is the interproximal surface. This is what is the most important and which most of us are not aware of.
What's one thing you wish everyone should know before visiting the dentist?
Okay, so most of the patients come with this baggage of fear. Fear is something which can definitely be taken care of. We have advanced procedures like conscious sedation, which will definitely relax you, and the procedure is going to be smooth and easy. You don't need to be scared anymore.
Can you tell us a bit about yourself and your journey in dentistry?
Sure, I would love to. I'm born and brought up in Hyderabad. I did my graduation in Karnataka and post-graduation in Chennai. I guess I covered the whole South India over there. But I fell in love with Chennai and a person over here, got married, and then I started my career in Chettinad Dental College. I practiced around 7 years. As a family, we all shifted to US. There we stayed around 3 years of time. I got to explore a lot of dental clinics over there. I was amazed to see the technologies they had, the stringent protocols and SOPs which they practiced. That is when I decided, when I come back to India, when I come back to Chennai, that would definitely be implemented in my clinic. And there I established Foursquare's Dentistry with all those practices.
Can you walk us through about Foursquare's dentistry?
At Foursquare's Dentistry, we believe in easy, comfortable, and tailored approach for each and every patient. We are empaneled with a team of doctors who are highly skilled and specialized, all under one roof. As an oral pathologist and microbiologist, I don't only focus on dental issues, but also take care of oral screening for early detection of cancer. We offer comprehensive dental services, and we are specialized for smile correction and dental implants with a very gentle and positive approach. Beyond the dental clinic, we also offer outreach programs for schools, colleges, and corporate offices to spread awareness regarding dental issues and oral cancer. It's not just about fixing teeth, it's about building healthy habits, confident smiles, and long-term dental wellness. At Foursquare Dentistry, expert care needs personalized attention. With a team of specialists, advanced technology, and early detection, we offer all comfortable services under one roof. We are open 365 days a year from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. as your smile deserves support every day.